Hi, this is VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So you could do this with the help of the volume button. Just press to the up or down volume button. Then you'll see here bell icon. Just click twice on this icon. Now it switched to the cross bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, by the same way, just click once on the cross bell, switch it to the regular one, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just open first control panel and find the silent mode icon. Click on this icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.